guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. I got a package in the mail today. Wellington is here with us. And I wanted to share it with you. Hang on 1 second. All right, so let's open this together. What comes in this fun orange box? A little notice. I've never really looked at these before, but some type of paperwork. And then the bag. I think I have a bag problem. I just love me some purses. Alrighty. Let's see what's in here. So we get a dust bag, and it's pretty thick. It doesn't have like a drawstring on it, which is different. But, you know, you need a dust bag. We need dust bags. It's a new fanny pack. I'm calling them a fanny pack because that's what it was. So, I'm taking off all this protection. Strap is interesting. I was expecting it to have more of a fabric situation, but it appears to be a leather. All right, here we go. So, it is like a fanny pack. So you have your little luggage strap type situation up here. You can pull it so you can carry it around like that. When you open it up, you've got your lining inside. Oh, a card. Now this is a replica. We know that, right? You get your stamp in here, and then you have another compartment up front that you can put credit card, snack, gum. And yeah, it's big. I think it will hold my phone for sure. Oh, I like that it has the double strap, the double zipper. Oh, and look at the detail on the zipper pulls. You get the, let me see what it is. Yeah, it says Louis Vuitton on all the zipper pulls. It's nice quality. Let's see what it looks like on. Now, I tend to wear my bags this way. Oh, it's very generous. Let me tell you, size-wise, like this is very generous in size. You have your buttonholes that go here. So I don't know if I would be able to shrink it down enough to wear it as an actual. Yeah, no. This is definitely a crossbody situation. We'll do it right there. You're not going to wear this as a waist bag. It's definitely going to be a crossbody. Oh, I like it. Let's see what I can put in here. Do I have anything? I have a mouse. Yeah, I like this like a lot. And I think it could be gender neutral, right? For guys or gals. It's kind of what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? I'll come back and let you know. Maybe I'll get some stuff that I can stuff in here. So hang on. I grabbed this bag, which I keep in my work. I don't know why that's in there. In my work bag that just has my purse stuff. It's like my purse bag. So we're going to transfer some of it over here. Now my wallet's downstairs, but I think there's going to be plenty of room. Let's see what we have. Oh, my earbuds. Must always have earbuds with us. nail file. I do carry a checkbook, which is, I think, for haircuts. Ibuprofen. Oh, hand cream. Very important to have. Although we're getting into the season where my hands aren't quite as dry. I have a pen, lipstick, Sudafed. I think I have allergies because I know I do. I'm kidding. More pills and more pills. I've got to get this situation under control. Look at all of my allergy medicines. Can you tell it's rainy season? We're going to fix that. But this holds a great amount of stuff. And some Chappy Chap. Throw my wallet in here, my keys, my phone. You can even just use this front little part for like credit cards, cash, whatever. I love it and I can't wait to wear it out. There will be a link in the description box if you too would like to get a fun little crossbody bag with the leather strap, if I didn't show you up close and personal. So we have a soft leather here. I love the big buckle. And you do have holes, and if you need to make it smaller, you can absolutely add more holes. But I do believe that this is designed more so as a crossbody and less so as a fanny pack. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy, and yeah, check it out. Have a good one. Bye.